This has been annoying me for a long time, but finally they're here. Yeah. Instead of, doing it myself, well, China is here to help you. They have those solid aluminum knurled big knobs that, fit right in. Oh my God, of course. I ordered two, right? So let's see. One hand. Oh, there you go. Nicely packed. Nicely packed. So yeah, I bought two. Solid. Yep. So let's take this guy here out. And ooh. Oh. Let me pull back the set screw here. Be right back. Let's see. 1.5 mil. You pull back the set screw, and then look at this. Oh yes, yes, nice. I mean, this was a big eyesore, right? You have a machine like this, and then you don't have the proper knobs, but now we have them. Yeah. All right. Nice. Closer to perfection. Haha. Finally, we have decent buttons here.
Soprano Anna de Trevico, acompanhada pelo...
Excellent.